What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning PHP object-oriented programming. My name is QDS Daniel. You guys watching my channel Crywood. Alright, so in the previous video we have shown you guys how to instantiate your objects here, and how to instantiate the object, and how do you guys gonna access the properties and access to the methods of your class. Say for example you have a method here, and first when you come here and instantiate and create an object here, and keep in mind that's your object, and through this one we can here, and as you guys know that through the object operator, which is the dash and the greater sign, you guys can access the properties. So this is the properties of your class, and keep in mind then in the future videos we're gonna see that the type as well. But for now you guys need to understand these properties, and when learning properties, if you come here and observe, one thing you guys need to observe here is the dollar sign. See how we putting the dollar sign with the object, but we are not putting a dollar sign with the properties and with the methods. So here you guys don't see any dollar sign. Say for example like this. As soon as you guys do that, and as soon as you guys attempt to do that, and we're gonna show you what happens if you guys gonna put a say dollar sign with the object, and you guys trying to dollar sign with say this ones. See here you have a dollar sign here with your variables or class properties, and once you come here and try to put a dollar sign, and we're gonna come here and we're gonna run, it says all sorts of error. It says that undefined variable on line 36, on line 47. So we're gonna see what's the 36, which is this guy here, and in line 47, which is this guy here. So why PHP gives an error? You guys effectively try to reference the value inside a variable. Say for example if you have if you give your object and you can have your properties here, then this expression would attempt to look up the value assigned to variable name this first name. So for example if this value is quadrat that we have initialized that one, then we would try to reference this property. We would try to reference this property on top, which is this guy here. It's a little bit complicated to understand, and effectively then it comes that this property as undefined. It's just like you guys gonna come here and try to reference something that is null. Say that's why it comes in undefined. Say it comes in, and if you put it like that, it's gonna be exactly the same in PHP. The internals of the PHP, it's gonna see that one. As soon as you guys gonna put something, it's gonna see that as a null, and that's why this comes in undefined, because you guys trying to reference that one, reference the property, and you guys try to reference this one as well. So keep in mind this is very tricky for especially for you guys as a beginner, and in the future videos I'm going to show you guys how we're going to deal with the static variables, and how we're going to access the static variables. Keep in mind one thing you can remember is you can put a dollar sign with the object, and because this dollar objects have all the benefits of this, everything is whatever happens inside this class, and this object is object variable. It's called, this is object and it's variable. See in C++ you guys gonna put your constructor, so and that's gonna be the name of the class. So whatever the name of the class is your constructor, and you're gonna initialize it with say the name object, whatever name you guys gonna put XYZ ABC, and that object XYZ ABC is gonna have everything and whatever inside the class, because you guys instantiated that one. But with the PHP you guys needs to put a new, just like a Java, and you put the name of the class, and now this is your object, and it's a variable, because it's exactly the same variable as this, because this is now these variables hold the first name. So if you try to attempt to put say dollar sign in front of this one, then effectively you guys attempt to reference the value inside a variable. So that's what's going to happen, and the PHP is going to return this as a null. It means it's going to be undefined, so you guys can't leave it anything undefined. So now we have removed this one, and you guys gonna see that remove this one, and we're gonna go there and we're gonna check all good, because now the PHP sees that one it has you guys not trying to reference this variable. So this is something that you guys needs to remember. You always put the dollar sign with the object. Say with the methods, you guys don't need to put a dollar sign, and especially with the properties and methods, you guys don't need to put a dollar sign here. Whatever you want, guys want to put a dollar sign, you can put it with the variables or properties inside the class. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.